Hello friends, welcome to the channel Law and Government Job Exams Cluster. Today in this video we are going to discuss the various posts published by the ICAI, the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. Before going further, I would request you to kindly subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon and like button. Also post your comment and queries in the comment section. The ICAI, the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, has notified for the post of recruitment of Joint Director, Deputy Director, Executive Officer, Section Officer, Librarian, GR Assistant, wide notification numbers dated 6/4/2021, which was last updated on 8th of April 2020. What is this notification all about? What are the qualifications? How to apply? We will discuss now that. So as we can see in the for the post of Joint Director position is named Joint Director. Location is initially based at Mumbai, liable to posted anywhere in India. Qualification and experience: prerequisite Chartered Accountant / Cost Accountant / Company Secretary / MBA / Master in Economics, Social Science, having minimum 15 years of post qualification experience in a leading profile in a reputed service organization / educational or academic institution. That means whosoever will going to apply for this post, the 15 years of post qualification experience is required after the completion of the MBA, Company Secretary, Cost Accountant, Chartered Accountant or Master in Economics or Social Science. That is from after the date of publication of result plus 15 years of experience is minimum requirement. Skill sets: prerequisite must have sound knowledge of HR / finance / IT / legal functions, strong human resource management expertise, ability to supervise and mentor staff and inspire their credibility, confidence and build consensus, strong interpersonal skills and proven ability to provide leadership to a team, demonstrate capacity to think strategically with expertise in complex problem solving, decision making and critical thinking, effective communication and decision making. This is a job profile which is also given. Now the age limit is for between 45 to 50 years as on 31/3/2021, that is the ending 31st of March 2021. Compensation would be 28 lakhs per annum approximately. So approximately we can say that near about 2 lakh 40,000 per month approximately a joint director will be getting, who is going to be recruited in this job profile. Now the next position is Deputy Director. Location is initially based at Mumbai, liable to be posted anywhere in India. Qualification and experience: same as CA, CS, ICWA, MBA, Master in Economics, Social Science, minimum 12 years. For Joint Director it is 15 years. Now for the Deputy Director it is 12-year post qualification experience in a leading profile in a reputed service organization, educational or academic institution. Again the skill prerequisites are same. Job profile, you can see that it is also there mentioned. The age limit required: in Joint Director it is 45 to 50 years as on 31st of March 2021, whereas in the Deputy Director the age limit is 40 to 45 years as on 31 of March 2021. Now people might be thinking that what is this 31/3/2021? It means that this is a cut-off date. By 31st of March 2021, a person should at least have completed 40 years of age and should not have crossed 45 years of age, not even for a single day. If you are 40 years and 1 day, you can apply. 40 years also you can apply, but if you are 39 years and 364 days, then you cannot apply. Also in the same case, the upper age limit 45 days and 1 day if you are old, then you can apply. You cannot apply. So you must be between 40 to 45 only, not a single day up or down. Compensation comes to 15.6 lakh per annum, that is approximately we can say that 1.25 lakh per annum. Now the third post is Executive Officer, initially based at Mumbai, liable to be posted anywhere in India. Again the qualification and experience is CA, Chartered Accountant, having minimum 5 years of expertise in accounting, finance, administration in statutory, regulatory, professional body, PSU or industry. Now the skills sets prerequisite is ability to work independently and collegially, ability to deal with managerial and functional level, excellent administrative and organizational skills, and effective communication and decision making. Job profile is also mentioned. Age limit is now 35 years till 38 years as on 31/3/2021. Compensation would be approximately 11.4 lakh, approximately 1 lakh per month. In the joint director it is 2.40 lakh per month. In deputy director it is approximately 1.25 lakh per month. In executive officer it is approximately 1 lakh per month. Now comes the next section officer. Location initially based at Mumbai, liable to be posted anywhere in India. Qualification is MBA / Chartered Company Secretary / ICW Indian Cost and Work Accountant / LLM LLB, having minimum 5 years of accounting, finance, administration in statutory, regulatory, professional body, PSU industry. Skills prerequisite is excellent communication skill, written and verbal, ability to work independently and collegially, ability to deal with managerial and functional level, excellent administrative and organizational skills, effective decision making skills. Now the age limit here is 30 years to 35 years as on 31st of March 2021, and compensation would be approximately 9.3 lakh, that is approximately 85,000 per month. Now the comes the last position, librarian GR assistant. Location initially based at COE Jaipur, Kolkata office, Kanpur office, liable to be posted anywhere in India. The qualification requirement is a master's degree in library science, information science, documentation science, or an equivalent professional degree with consistent good academic record, having minimum 3 years of post qualification experience in a library of leading academic institute or university. Now the age limit is 27 to 30 years as on 31/3/2021, and compensation would be approximately 8.8 lakh. Now for the application, ICAI hold the right to relax any eligibility criteria for deserving candidate, and decision regarding eligibility, shortlisting of candidate, conduct of interview and selection will be final and binding on the applicant, and no correspondence will be entertained in this regard. Interested candidate may send their application in the structured format through email at recruitwro@icai.in, or can send through speed post to Assistant Secretary HR, the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, ICAI Bhavan, IP Marg, Indraprasth Marg, New Delhi 110002. Subscribing on the envelope, application for the post of. Suppose if you are applying for joint director, you can have to mention application for the post of joint director. If you are applying for the section officer, then you have to mention application for the post of section officer. Within 15 days from the date of release of this advertisement. So within 15 days you have to apply, and the ending date would be for this advertisement is falling on 21st of March or 21st of April. That is today is 14, and after 7 days the closing date of application is there. Means by maximum 21st of April 2021 you must send your application through email or by post, through speed post, to the address mentioned in this. Thank you friends, thank you for watching this channel. Have a nice day.